Hello, dear students. In a class, we discuss about how to solve homogeneous and also non-homogeneous differential equation. This is the continuous part of that. Yes. Okay. We know the solution of first of all, for the difference between homogeneous and also non-homogeneous, the differential equation is in the form d square y by dx square plus a1 into dy by dx plus y is equal to pi of x. If pi of x is equal to 0, then that equation is called homogeneous differential equation, that is HDE. And if pi of x is not equal to 0, then that equation is called as a non-homogeneous differential equation. We know the complementary function is the solution of homogeneous differential equation, and for non-homogeneous differential equation is sum of complementary function and also particular integral is the solution of non-homogeneous differential equation. So we discussed in a classroom type 1. Type 1 means if pi of x containing exponential function. Let us we discuss about the RHS, that is pi of x containing trigonometric function. So trigonometric function means we know already that there is a six trigonometric function is there, but here we use only two trigonometric function, that is sin ax or cos ax. The RHS is containing pi of x is equal to sin ax. Then we take d square is equal to minus pi a square. So that is the pi is in the form of pi of, that is sin ax or cos ax divided by f of d. Then we have to take d square is equal to minus a square. For example, first we take example 1, d square y by dx square plus 4y is equal to sin x. So first this equation we can write d square plus 4 of y is equal to sin x. So using LHS value we have to find complementary function, and using RHS value we have to find particular integral. So I think maybe you all of you know how to solve complementary function. Now I explain only particular integral. So this equation first pi we can written as sin x divided by d square plus 4. So according to the rule, we take d square is equal to minus a square. So your coefficient of x is the a value, that is a value is 1. So let us we take your d square is equal to minus 1. So sin x is equal to minus 1 plus 4. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. That is pi is equal to sin x by 3. Like that we have to solve the non-homogeneous differential equation. Non-homogeneous differential equation. So RHS containing sin x or cos ax. We take another example. Here d square plus 9 of y is equal to cos 3x. So particular integral pi can be written as cos 3x divided by d square plus 9. Here according to the rule we take d square is equal to minus a square, that is d square is equal to minus 9, because here coefficient of x is the 3 value, and so 3 means your 3 square value minus 9, and one thing, it is not a minus a whole square, it is minus a square. So cos 3x divided by minus 9 plus 9, minus 9 plus 9 become cancel, we get denominator we get 0. So it means it is in indeterminate form. So we have to convert determinate form. So multiply it by x in numerator and differentiate with respect to d. That is x into cos 3x, derivative of d square is 2d and derivative of 9 value 0. So x by 2 is take it outside, 1 by d it represent a integration. So integral of cos 3x into dx. So x by 2 into integral of cos 3x is sin 3x by 3. Therefore pi is equal to x by 6 into sin 3x. So we have to take another example, that is d square plus 2d plus 9 of y is equal to sin 2x. So particular integral pi can be written as sin 2x divided by d square plus 2d plus 1. So according to that rule we have to take d square is equal to minus a square. Your a value 2. So a square value 4. So we can take minus 4. So pi is equal to sin 2x divided by minus 4 2d 2d plus 1, but 2d minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 become minus 3. So here in denominator 2d is there. So but according to the rule we take d square is equal to minus a square. So that was we need to convert this d to convert it into d square. That was we have to take the conjugate. Conjugate is the 2d plus 3 is the conjugate. So multiplied and divided by 2d plus 3. So then 2d plus 3 then multiplied, that is 2 into derivative of sine 2x plus 3 sine 2x divided by 2d minus 3 multiplied. Then here in denominator it is in the form of a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So multiplied it become 2d minus 3 into 2d plus 3. We can write 4d square minus 9. So in your 2 into d into sine 2x, it means derivative of sine 2x. Derivative of sine 2x value cos, derivative of sine is cos. Again derivative of 2x is 2 plus 3 sine 2x divided by 4d square is there now. So we take d square is equal to minus a square, that is minus 9. So 4 into minus 9 minus 1. So 2 into 2 is 4 cos 2x plus 3 sine 2x. 4 3 is 9 4s are 36 minus 9. So 4 cos 2x plus 3 sine 2x divided by minus 36 minus 9 become minus 45. So pi is equal to minus 44 minus 1 by 45 into 4 cos 2x plus 3 sine 2x. So like that we have to solve the non-homogeneous differential equation RHS containing trigonometric function, that is sin ax or cos ax. Okay, thank you.